Hey guys, let's see today how to send a message with celebration effect on iPhone on latest iOS 17. So guys, for that just go to message app, just tap on it, and now guys just try to find to someone which you want to send the message with celebration effect. So let's example I want to send the message to my dad, and let's example I want to type I want to type Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Either you have to send with you can also attach with any emoji, even though you can also go with any camera effect. You can go with the stickers also. You can also attach, even though you can also attach the photo as well. But I want to send the simple text Happy New Year message with celebration effect. So for that guys, don't hit that arrow button. Just press and hold for some moment, and automatically it will activate some effect. So just go and just select on the right that screen tab, and okay, here you have to select, just swipe until you will get the celebration effect. So you can see or send with a spotlight. I don't want, just send with, see here, previous send with balloons, even send with confetti, send with love, send with lasers light, send with fireworks, and send with celebration. Here you go. So this I wanted to send a message with celebration effect. So now you can just go and hit that. You can see you will get the celebration effect with the sound as well guys. So guys, this way you can send a message to anyone with celebration effect. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.